Hello guys, today I'm teaching you how to be rich in Roblox, boy version. So I'm just gonna log out. Don't log out, cause yeah. And I'm just gonna type a name. Baby boom boy. There. And now. As you can, so go to avatar now. And take off the older clothes, but don't just pick what hair you want. You can select brown charmer or whatever. So I'm just gonna go to hair. Now I'm going to blonde. Now I'm going to body. So pick whatever pant you want. So go to catalog. Now go to clothing. Whoa, look at this domino. And go to shirts and scroll down, see, and click free and get the Roblox jacket. See? Now edit avatar. Wear it today. Now go type Roblox suit t-shirt. See the t-shirt and click this if you find it. Now right click and save image as and name whatever you want. Suit. As you can see. Now go back to Roblox and follow Now I'm back. So go to Roblox again. Now go to clothing, t-shirts, and create. And choose file. Scroll down and find the suit that you made. Find the suit. And click it and open and just upload it. Oh, I'm a robot. Just a second. So click on the suit that you made. Now add avatar. And let's just wait. And now, see, that's how to be rich in Roblox. Part 1. Okay, I hope you guys like this video. If you did, smash that like button, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Have a great day.